Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the Instagram account public to private on your Instagram. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to switch the account to public to private in Instagram. So first of all, you just need to click on the three dots on the top. Now we just click on the setting and privacy option on the settings. Now you just need to scroll down. You will see an option called account privacy. So just click this and you just need to click on the private account. So switching to the private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, and this won't change who can message or tag or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people you don't follow you. Okay, so just switch to private and just go here. Now your account is switched to the private account. So this means if you are posting a post, so only having only 5 followers, so this 5 followers only can have a view of my post. So the like ratio and also the reels view ratio will be so low, so the account reach will be so low. So if you want a more reach, you just need to be a public account. If you need to be a closed account, you can make it your personal account. Just use this. Just click on this three dot, go to the setting and privacy, just scroll down, click on the accounts and privacy, just switch to the private account. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.